I'm Wint from Myanmar, and during a political transition in Myanmar, the highly competent public health practitioners were urgently needed in our country to take interventions in the crippled healthcare system. So that I think I can take the advantages from this highly qualified program in here. I can translate my theoretical knowledge into the field in my country, and I can solve the community for the advanced knowledge and advanced healthcare system. And but I will be very grateful to SI for taking me this chance, this golden chance, and I wish SI would remain as the great supporter for young and talented individuals from developing countries to be able to serve their countries more and more, and they will become the potential leaders, and they will shape the better world for all of us.
I think sure that this is actually an opportunity provided to all of us to promote international cooperation and development. Education, I think, is the best way in which you can promote at least togetherness, cooperation among everybody and each and every person in the world. It's a way in which you can also promote peace. And looking at it, coming from a middle-income country, I think this is the best platform, at least to also reduce the number and the cases of diseases in order to at least promote development in our various countries. And by getting this opportunity from the Swedish Institute to come here and gain some kind of knowledge and experience from not only the school, but also from among my colleagues who are coming from all over the world, I think this is the best opportunity that can ever be given to any individual in any one part of the world.
We all appreciate this chance we got from Sweden, represented by the Swedish Institute and by Umea University, to all study in a very international setting, in a very first-class university, in the field of our interest, public health, to gain the skills and knowledge to be the change we want to see in the universe. And we all hope that this opportunity can continue to give this chance for others to reach their dreams and change the world.
I remember the first day in class when the teacher said, really embrace the fact that you are from different countries and you're going to learn a lot from it. And I thought, well, I'm going to learn what the teacher said. Of course, it's nice to have people from the other side of the world, but I don't know what exactly I'm going to benefit from it. But it didn't take long before I realized it's a huge benefit for us, especially when you discuss global questions. And for example, discussing the problem of HIV with only Swedes is not really that beneficial for me.
You only realize how important it is to actually learn with people from different cultures and different countries, because at the end of the day, you're all going to be sort of a multidisciplinary team, and it kind of helps you to be able to work together.
I am the Director of Studies for these master programs we have in Umea in public health. And I'm proud to say that our program is ranked the highest in Sweden. And you are very well aware of that, and we are very proud of it. And contributing to this success of being high-ranked education is that we have a pronounced mix of students, and you represent some of them. At the moment, I think we have students from 40 different countries in our two programs here. So this provides students to share experiences and also to discuss global health issues of great concern across the globe, which is what we want to be focusing on in our teaching. And the experience that you bring into class to our Swedish setting is invaluable, and we need all these perspectives to really understand global health issues. One important thing happened in 2011, and that was that the Swedish government introduced tuition fees. I'm not sure that they realized the consequences it had for all the students coming from outside EU, but as I see it, the door was closed for those students. And Swedish Institute has, in a large scale, introduced the scholarships to probably to balance this as a way to again open the doors for these students who are so important for our internationalization and our global understanding. So I am so concerned now that we have this news from various sources that the Swedish Institute no longer will give scholarships to students from outside EU. We think that it's a terrible mistake, and I think you should reconsider and think what this really means and what consequences it has for our education here, but also for those students who have the possibilities to come thanks to this.